Dear all, very good evening to one and all. For the time being, you can watch. I am just sitting in front of my children at a particular room for practice, and it is our daily routine. You can say that we have already be a habitual to practice at least. I spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes to spend along with my children, and I keep on teaching, I keep on guiding, I keep on advising how can you develop your skill and get a great command of take an interest of the study, and after that you will be a stressless, you will be a powerful and overcome your hesitation when you get a chance to speak, to do something without any hesitation. You can stand in front of the class, yeah, anyways. So for the time being, I am very fully of the excited and very delighted, and I am just ready to ask some of the questions and answer and whatever their activities. So I would like to know about the both other languages I will use as like a Hindi or English. So my children, first I want to know about their opinion. So you can watch. My both other children are just sitting, they are ready to practice, and I am just know about their opinion, are they ready or not. And after that I will ask randomly as like a, you can say ki, first I will ask of the questions, rapid fire of the questions and answer. So first I want to know about their opinion. Are they ready? Okay, beta, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
What are you doing here?
We are sitting here for practice.
Is it your everyday story?
Yeah, it is our everyday story.
Do you practice daily with your father?
Yes, we practice daily with my father.
What kind of the practice do you do?
We do English conversation practice.
English conversation.
Yeah.
So do you understand about your father's language?
Yes, we totally understand about my father's language.
My father's language.
Who teaches well as like your father or your teachers?
I prefer my father teaching.
Teaches well.
Which method do you prefer?
I prefer my father's method.
So is your father expertise on this language?
Yes, my father get 4 years expertise.
So when your father apply the English language, so in which language do you reply?
We reply in English language.
Or when your father will connect you in your native language, as usually you are just using at your house as like a Hindi or Haryanvi. So in which language that time do you use?
We use sometime English, sometime Hindi.
Sometime English or sometime Hindi. Okay. So now I'm just right to ask about the some of the question in Hindi, and after that you have to convert in English. Okay.
Yes.
तुम सुबह से कहाँ जा रहे थे?
You had been going since the morning.
So मैं सुबह से मार्केट की तरफ जा रहा था.
I had been going to the market since morning.
मुझे कुछ सामान की जरूरत थी.
I needed some things.
हमें किसी को गलत नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
We should not tell anyone wrong.
क्या तुम्हें समय पर योगा करने की जरूरत है?
Do you need to do yoga in time?
वह मुझे रोज पीटती है.
She always beats me.
क्या मैं मेरे पापा के साथ जाऊंगा?
Will I go with my father?
मैं साइकिल चलाते चलाते कभी भी फोन नहीं यूज करता.
I never use mobile while riding the cycle.
मैं मेरे दोस्त की वजह से कल स्कूल नहीं जा पाया.
I couldn't go to school yesterday due to my friend.
क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त बहुत दूर से आता है.
Because my friend comes from far.
मेरा दोस्त जानता है मैं उसका अच्छा दोस्त हूँ.
My friend knows that I am his best friend.
क्या तुम अपने दोस्त से इंग्लिश में बात करते हो?
To talk with your friend in English.
मैं सुबह से खाना खा रहा था.
I had been eating food since morning.
क्या उसने कपड़े धो लिए हैं?
Have he washed the cloth?
Has he washed the cloth? क्या तुम्हें साइकिल चलाने के बारे में जानकारी है?
Do you know how to ride the cycle?
मैं हमेशा खेलने के लिए तैयार रहता हूँ।
I always ready for play.
मैं खेलना बहुत पसंद करता हूँ।
I like very much for play.
For play.
मुझे लगता है तुम वहाँ नहीं जाओगे।
I think that you will not go there.
मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा।
I will try level my best.
मैं सुबह उठने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
I am ready to get up early in the morning.
क्या तुम कल मेरे साथ आओगे?
Will you come with me tomorrow?
क्या तुम जूस पीना चाहोगे?
Would you like to drink milk? Sorry, juice.
जूस। क्या तुम्हें जूस अच्छा लगता है?
Do you like juice?
मैं सब चीज़ों का भोजन करना पसंद करता हूँ।
I like to eat all the dishes of food.
क्या तुमने होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है?
Have you completed your homework?
क्या मैं वहाँ गया?
Did I go there?
क्या तुम उसके साथ डांस कर रहे थे?
Were you dancing with him?
तुमने उसे क्यों नहीं बुलाया?
Why did you not call him?
तुम किसके साथ गए?
With whom did you go?
अभी तुम कहाँ पर हो?
Where are you now?
Where are you now?
Where are you now?
क्या तुम छत पर हो?
Are you on
Are you
terrace?
on terrace?
क्या तुम डॉक्टर हो?
Are you
Are you
doctor?
doctor?
क्या वह सिपाही है?
Is he a सैनिक?
सैनिक या पुलिसमैन? मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की।
I tried level my best.
जब मैं कल मार्केट से आ रहा था तो मैंने एक बाइक देखी।
When I was coming from the market yesterday, I saw a bike.
वह मेरे सपनों की बाइक थी।
That's my dream bike.
इन माई फ्यूचर मैं उस बाइक को खरीद लूँगा।
In my future, I will buy this bike.
मैं पूरी मेहनत करूँगा
I will do hard work.
और सब सारे मेरे ड्रीम पूरे कर सकता हूँ।
And I will do hard work and I can do and I can fill my all the dreams.
So thank you. You explained very well with a great manner. So I hope you keep on practicing and enjoy it a lot. Thank you.